Chinese egg noodle meatball soup. Ingredients: 200 grams egg noodles, fried tomatoes, 2 medium eggs, 4 fresh tomatoes, 2 tablespoons oil, salt, 125 grams lean meat minced, 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cornstarch flour, 2 tablespoons cold water, fresh ginger, finely chopped, 1 spring onion, chopped. Directions: boil the water and cook the egg noodles. Cut the tomatoes and beat the eggs. Cut spring onions and chop gingers. To make egg tomato soup base: add oil to fry egg first, 3 to 5 minutes closing parenthesis. I prefer the eggs to be golden brown as this will release a nice smell from eggs. Add the chopped tomatoes, cook till the tomatoes are softened. Then add stock or water. The soup may take about 5 minutes depending on the heat. While cooking the soup, you can use the time to prepare the meatballs. To make meatball: place the meat mince in a bowl, add salt, light soy sauce, chopped ginger, corn flour and water into the meat. Mix all the ingredients and make meatballs. This takes about 5 minutes and now the egg tomato soup is also cooked. Add meatballs to the egg tomato soup to cook for about 5-10 minutes, depends on the heat. Once the meatballs are cooked, add the cooked noodles into the soup. Stir and wait for 2-3 minutes to let the noodle take the flavor from soup. Transfer the cooked noodle soup to a bowl. Before finishing, add chopped spring onions. Done. Serve hot.